Hi guys, this is Miss Essems. I'm here to teach you about our new math lesson this week where we are adding tens and ones and double-digit numbers. I'm using my whiteboard first to show you how to add using the actual base tens blocks that we use in class. These are our tens and we have our ones like this because remember that the tens represent 10 ones all stuck together. So our problem is 26 plus 47. So to solve this problem, I'm going to have to add the tens and ones separately. So I'm going to model the number with 26 first. So here's 26. We've got 2 tens in the number 26 and 6 ones. There's 26. Oh, I missed one. Now I have 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 2 tens, 6 ones. Now, I'm also going to add 47. Here's my 47 that I'm modeling with my tens. 4 tens and 7 ones makes 47. Now, if I'm adding this together, I have to add the tens with the tens and the ones with the ones. I can't add this and say, oh, look, it's 2, because it's really not 2. It's 10 and 1 makes 11. So I have to make sure I add tens to tens and ones to ones. That's the most important rule. So now when I'm adding it like this, the first one I said was 26 was 2 tens. I'm going to write it down. 2 tens. And over here I have 6 ones. So I'm going to write 6 ones. Okay. And then 47 was 4 tens. 4 tens. And 7 ones was 47, so it's 7 ones. Now, it's a little different to look at it this way, so don't get confused. We're just making sure that we keep our tens with our tens and our ones with our ones. So now I'm gonna add down. I'm gonna add the ones because I can put 6 ones and 7 ones together, and then that makes a total of 13 ones because I remember my doubles fact. 6 and 6 is 12, so 6 and 7 is 13. So, okay, I'm going to add going this way now. I'll draw a line. So 6 and 7 makes 13 ones in all. And over here, 2 tens and 4 tens. Well, remember I had my 2 tens and my 4 tens? That made 6 tens. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so now it's kind of hard to see because I got all jammed up. But 6 tens and 13 ones. Well, 6 tens, remember my 6 tens that I had here? That's the same as 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to switch colors so I can see better. 60. 6 tens is 60. That's the same. And now I'm going to add the 13 ones to that. Ooh, let me move this over so you can see. Okay, 13 ones to that. Well, 13 ones, here they are. That just makes 13. Okay, 13 ones is just 13. So 60 plus 13. Well, that's what I'm adding together now. 60 plus 13. Well, when I add 60 plus 13, do you remember our lesson when we added our tens and our ones like this? When we had a number like 13, then we added 60 more to it. We just added 6 tens and 1 10 together. So 6 plus 1 is 7 tens, and 0 plus 3 ones is 3. 60 plus 13 is 73. That's how I got from here to here because I thought 60 plus 13. And I put 6 and 1 together to make 7, and 0 and 3 to make 3. So the number was 73. Now I know that we had a lot more ones like this, so I'm going to show you one last time how I did that. Okay, I'm gonna see, let me just flip this over here so that I can show you this way. All right, so 6, this was all of the tens that I had. So you see the reason for having this many is because look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Then 71, 72, 73. Remember how we did that lesson last week? where when we got to having 10 ones, we said, oh, you know what? That's the same as having an extra 10. So that's why. Because now it's not just having 6 10s, it's actually 7 10s, because this 10 would bring it up from 60 to 70. And then 3 extra, so 73.